This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, March 15th. Stock index futures starting out a little bit better. We did have several economic reports coming in stronger than anticipated. However, some of the gains given back now with the ongoing trade tensions. Still thinking longer term that we are not in the beginning stages of any type of long-term bear market, but these trade problems, trade tensions, still very much a factor, of course a negative influence. Once these trade issues are resolved or at least put on the back burner, I think we can see a new leg up for the stock index futures. Also, don't forget it was just several days ago that the NASDAQ was able to make some new historical highs, so I believe that bodes well for the entire stock index futures complex. In the currencies, not a lot of news in the overnight trade. The dollar a little bit higher, the euro currency a little bit lower, the Canadian dollar and the Australian actually lower, and ignoring better prices in the crude oil market. Still thinking longer term that the dollar will probably drift lower, especially now as it's becoming a bit more mainstream to think that the Fed will raise rates only 3 times this year. A couple of weeks ago, the consensus view was for 4 rate increases. Also, we do have that double top pattern in the June Eurodollar futures, which I think ultimately will be taken out to the upside. Interest rate markets firming as of late, the last couple of weeks, with trade tensions perceived to be somewhat of an influence that could slow the economy down, at least the global economy. However, I believe that once the trade tensions subside, that interest rates will work higher and futures will come under pressure as confidence is instilled again in the economic recovery. So longer term, still looks like the main trend is lower in all of the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.